And I want to show you guys something. Kind of pricey. Oh no, is that 25 or 125? 25, 20 euros. Cool. So you know what those are? Those are called tagines. Come. And they're made there's more of them over here. Beautiful one. White one is there. Beautiful. Bonjour. So those tagines are shaped that way to make tagines, which are Moroccan or North African chicken or lamb stews. And they're fantastic. And what you do is you sear lamb in ras al hanout, and you put a stock or some water in there, and you cover it up. You can put vegetables in there, root vegetables generally, like big radish or carrots or potatoes even, and you stick this roof on top of it. It's pyramid shaped, and the reason it's pyramid shaped is when the liquid heats from the top, the condensation quickly flows back down, rather than having a normal pot where it sort of comes on top. This quickly comes on down, keeps that moisture in there, and you know, the mixture of ras al hanouts, you could put grapes in there, you could put raisins in there. One of my favorite dishes of all time. You have that with a bit of couscous, a couple of merguezes, which is probably one of my favorite sausages out there, a lamb sausage, spicy lamb sausage from North Africa. You have that, and you are on your way to a beautiful North African bonanza.